Step into the future of lightsaber tech with the Proffie Soundboard kit, featuring Xenopixel 3.0 and RGB 3.0 core. With 34 sound fonts, smooth swing effects, and adjustable volume, every clash sounds epic. Add even more effects with the built-in 16GB SD card on Xenopixel, or expand it yourself with RGB. Watch your blade come alive with infinite color changing, rotating hues, and up to 12 dynamic blade modes. Whether you're battling, dragging, or showing off, this saber responds with precision. Control it your way, twist, wave, or push-pull to ignite. Quickly switch sounds and modes, or go deeper with app control for a personalized experience. Powered by a 3600 mAh rechargeable battery, this saber charges in 5 to 8 hours and delivers hours of immersive play. Whether you're customizing your hilt or upgrading your saber, the Proffie Core kit brings movie-level realism to your hands.